Hi guys, good afternoon. Time check, it's 1 and 7 minutes in the afternoon. Today is August 13, 2024, and we are here at Moriel's residence here in Santo Domingo, Albay. So ito ang kanyang beautiful home at ang ganda ng kanyang lawn. You see guys, favorite ko ang landscaping ni Moriel. You will see here some indigenous plants. Meron pa siyang papaya, oh, tingnan nyo guys. Ganda ng kanyang landscape. Oh, di ba guys? Tingnan natin ang arrangement ni Moriel. You see? Oh, ayan ang elephant's ear. Kinuha pa namin yan sa Donsol. Yan. Yan ang view. Ganda guys, no? O, di ba?